If your plants are growing slowly, leaves look weak, and flowers aren't forming, then you might be missing this powerful kitchen secret. Just 1 spoon of ground nutmeg can completely transform your garden. Yes, it sounds surprising, but nutmeg isn't just for cooking. It contains natural compounds that improve soil health, boost plant immunity, and support faster growth. Ground nutmeg has antibacterial and antifungal properties. This helps protect roots from harmful soil diseases. It also improves microbial activity in the soil, making nutrients more available to your plants. The result? Stronger roots, greener leaves, and healthier, faster-growing plants, especially for vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. Here's how to use it. Take 1 liter of water and add just 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Mix it well and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now pour this solution around the base of your plants once every 10 to 15 days. Try this simple trick and watch your garden come alive with new growth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural gardening secrets.